Welcome to the Reserve at Kessler Heights. This is going to be a new townhome division that was just recently built by David Weekley Homes. This is going to be 3 minutes away from Bishop Arts and 7 minutes away from downtown Dallas. You have three options here. You can buy a home and build it from the ground up and hit all your specifications and needs. You can buy a home that's already been built and save yourself a little bit of money, or you can buy a home kind of like what you see here in this video that already has all the furniture and decorations in it and ready to go. This home offers a whole lot of natural lighting due to its open floor plan and extremely high ceilings. If you like the content that you see on this channel, make sure to like and comment below. I want to get a conversation started with you, and also if you know anybody who's trying to look at any homes in the $500,000 price range, make sure to share this with them as well. Hi, I'm Sean Ray, and this is what a $500,000 home in Dallas, Texas looks like. So as you come into the townhome, the first thing you're going to see on your right is a very large garage. This 2-car garage is big enough for any kind of normal standard car, including maybe a truck. And also it has yourself this little area right over here that you can put a workbench or whatever it is that you need to come out here to call this place your kind of home. Now past the garage area, right to your right, as you're walking into the main living room, you have yourself a nice little small guest bathroom. Also, for those of you like me that like to wear blazers when they go out, there's a nice little coat closet here as well for your guests where they come in, that way you can get a little more comfortable. So after you go through the entryway, you see this big old area, which is why I love it so much. This is going to be the kitchen that leads into the living room. Why I love these new townhomes that they're building is that everything's so flowy and seamless. Typically on the other homes that you see on this channel, they're really cut apart, they're different. There's going to be the kitchen, then there's going to be a living room, then another formal dining room or something like that. Here's just all one big space. And they make the huge ceilings, that way it feels even more open with a lot of natural light from the windows. I also like that there's going to be a floating island. So a floating island is basically an area for you to do social things and also do the dishes and then host guests, and it makes it to where it's a lot more flowy. Whenever you have something that blocks off, then it really kind of confines the space to where it doesn't make it very social. Now it comes with a gas stove, and gas stoves are going to be great for whenever you're cooking like you see in the other videos. I really love gas stoves, and this is going to be brand new, never been used, and they all have warranties as well. So if there's anything that ever goes wrong with it, you're good to go. Since it is a new build, they offer a lot of new appliances that come with the package. Now there's currently right now a bunch of ones that have already been built, and they'll throw in the washer and dryer and the refrigerator. If you just ask them, they can work it into the deal. And they want to have all these townhomes sold before the end of the year, which is 2019. They want to try to have them sold before 2020. And so this is the time to really get in here, get a good deal, get a good price, and kind of get some of these upgraded bonuses that they might not even tell you about. Wow, look at this space. It's such an open area. And then if you want to put your TV on the wall, then you can see the TV from the kitchen, from the dining room, from the living room, and then even from upstairs as well. And so if you really want a really good social space, especially for you young people that really want to get into this new home buying market, but you really want to have that social atmosphere, this is the kind of floor plan that really fits your needs. So what's cool about this place is that most townhomes are going to feel really confined and boxy. Like you just don't have your own privacy. Everyone's on top of each other. What's cool about this place is they give you your own nice size backyard, and it's going to be great for dogs if you have a dog. And also they give enough space to where you feel like it's more of a park feel unless like someone's right on top of you. So there's going to be a 2-story townhouse. And again, since it's a new build, then you can customize everything. It's going to have carpet upstairs, but you can take away the carpet if you so choose. And then what I like about this is that it's going to have this really cool view from anyone that's downstairs. So you can come up and hang out upstairs with a cocktail or whatever it is and look at your friends downstairs while you're having a party. Of course, I love that Gatsby feel, so I feel like it's Mr. Gatsby sitting up here and looking at all my guests. I love it. Let's go look at the 2 bedrooms. They're right down this hallway. As soon as you walk up the stairs, you're going to be taking a right. You're going to be walking into rooms on the left and right. Now these are going to be Jack and Jill's. And so they're both going to be tiny a little bit, like a little small, but it's really good for, like, say for instance, children. So if you want to have your own privacy into the big master and put the children over in this area, this is more than enough room. You have yourself a smaller closet, again, good for kids. And then as you go in to this bathroom, it's going to have your privacy for the tub, for the toilet, and then you're going to have your maybe boy and girl, boy and boy, whatever it is, for your countertop. And then it leads into the next room, which you're going to have more enough space for a normal size family. And also you're going to have your secondary closet as well. So walking down the hallway, after you get done with the two rooms that I recommend for children, then you have the master. And so the master is going to be much bigger. It's going to have a really cool custom bathroom that's not like what you normally see in standard bathrooms, but also it has an outdoor access to where you can see your neighbors, where you can see the park, where you can also see your backyard as well. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this home tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, if you guys like any of my content, make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment. The more engagement this gets, the more that it gets pushed out to the algorithm, and I definitely could use all the support I can get. Thanks again, guys, and to watch more videos like this, make sure to check out this whole home tour list, and make sure to subscribe if you're over on YouTube. And I look forward to seeing you guys again next week.